Want the easiest way to draw the cat eyeliner? No complicated techniques, just a simple method. If you're ready to master it, follow along till the end. Before we get into the liner, we need a smooth, grease-proof base. Start by moisturizing lightly. This keeps everything fresh. This is the moisturizing cream I'm using for today. I want to even out my skin tone, so for today's video, I'm going to use this BB cream. I blended with this damn beauty blender, just like that. If your nose or your forehead tends to get oily like mine, try some translucent powder. This is it. Just on the nose and on the forehead. Sketch before lining. For today's video, I'm going to use this Yarn pencil liner. I'm really satisfied with this product. So you can use other types of eyeliners for cat eye look. For example, you can use this Deborah eyeliner. This is also a good choice. I'm going to show you how to use a pencil liner. Here's the trick that makes everything easier. Your lower lash line is your guide. Imagine that your lower lash line is extending upward. Look straight to the mirror. So this is my lower lash line, and I imagine that this line is to be continued. But do not move your eyes, okay? Just continue, just like that. Did you see that? My lower lash line continued upward. The next step is to lightly sketch a triangle or a V shape, let's say. Continue this line and we try to create a triangle at the outer corner of our eye. This is the triangle that I was talking about. The next step is really easy. You just have to feel these triangles. Okay, it's time for connecting and perfecting. I connected very slightly. As I get closer to the upper lash line, I try to be smaller and thinner. Let me tell you something. For the perfect cat eye, the outer corner goes up and the inner corner goes down. I imagine that my inner corner is moving downward. So another small triangle is created right here. You see, now I connect these two lines together. Okay, now I want to extend this cat eye look. I'm going to make it thicker. Let's perfect the cat eye look. Use a sharp brush and some concealer to sharpen the edges of your cat eye look. I clean the edges. So this technique of using concealer with a sharp brush also helps you to create balance between the two sides of your eyes. A cat eye is nothing without gorgeous lashes to complete the look. For today, I'll be using these two mascaras. Put extra attention at the outer corner of your lashes. You should apply it in a way that it is in an oblique order. Finally, for a better lifted look, I'll put some half lashes at the end of my lashes. Okay, so this is the cat eye look that I was talking about. The cat eye is finished right now. Now I'm going to complete the whole face. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to fill the spars of my eyebrows. Bronzer, blush, liquid lipstick, some spritz of setting spray. Okay, so this is the final look. As you can see, this was very easy and you can do it very quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't just keep it to yourself. Show some love by liking this video, subscribing for more beauty tips, and sharing with your friends who need the eyeliner hack. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you in the next video.